Original Batman. It's fake. She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, they want to say she not bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on this wig that you see right here. So I'm using this lace that I cut out from a lace frontal. So what I do each time I have a lace closure or lace frontal like a new one, I cut out the extra piece of lace and then I keep it aside for projects like this. So that is what I'll be using for this wig. So right now I'm just going to measure out the amount of lace that I need and then I'm going to trim out the excess piece. And I'll place it right in the middle of the wig cap and secure it down with some T-pins. And after that I'm going to sew down the lace with needle and thread.
She give me for me thing so, whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I not bad man, they want to say she not bad man, they want to fail.
So I'm going to be using braiding hair to create box braid on that lace that I sewed down, and the one that I'm using is Mali hair. You can actually use any braiding hair of your choice. So I split that one strand of Mali hair into 4 pieces. But before that, I'm going to cut out this excess piece of lace on the wig cap. So I'm going to crochet some hair on the lace. I'm actually doing small piece and I'm doing 4 straight lines. So after that I'm just going to box braid each of the crochet.
Baby dance ya, oh Leia, do they play me like player? Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Jula. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name. They be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Baby dance ya, oh Leia, many music they to play. Dance ya, oh Leia, baby dance ya, oh Leia. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, oh Leia. If be my flow, oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, if be my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, if be my flow, come on, make you take a slow. Come on, if be my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Baby, dance ya, oh Leia, do they play me like player? Baby, me go Joe Dada, cause you know I flow ada. It's that cheesy. Fresh boy, wait up easy. I got the cat that you needing. Plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beauty so undeniable. Baby girl, one day till the morning. Cause I want to spend cash money. Yeah. Next time I consume champagne. No, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing. Everybody dance, everybody dance. Everybody feel the same. Baby dance, yeah, oh Leia. Many music there to play. Dance, yeah, oh Leia. Oh Leia, this music no go stop to play. Dance ya, oh Leia. Oh yeah, come on, if be my flow, oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, if be my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, if be my flow, come on, make you take a slow. Come on, if be my flow.
So right now I'm going to take the needle into the loop of the box braid, and I'll use the needle to pull the faux locks, and after that I'm going to grab the faux locks and the box braid together and pull them through the loop.
Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. Where you dance they make me they go low. Say your moves they make.
So right now I'm going to unravel the faux locks bit by bit and wrap it around the box braid. So I'm basically just unraveling it in small section and wrapping it around the box braid till there's nothing left of the box braid. And the reason I did this method of box braid instead of crocheting the faux locks directly on the lace is because the lace is fragile and I don't want to rip it while pulling the faux locks through the lace. So this method is also very good. It makes the lace, or the faux locks rather, a lot more natural.
Ready now. Take my hands and come with me. Baby girl, it's me and you tonight, Mogbe. I will never let you go. Never let you go so far away. Oh yeah, come and chop my money. Money, chop money, chop my money. Money. Oh yeah, come and be my honey. Honey, my honey. Where you moving that body? It make me want to throw it. Baby, the way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh, moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, the way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it. Baby, come make me go. Whoa, come make me go. Yeah, come make me go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. Make we go. Whoa, come make we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. Say, you see what I need to. I'm ready now. Music. Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the groove. Dancing like.
So after installing the faux locks on the box braid, this is what the front of the hair looks like. Right now I'm going to start doing the regular crochet method on the rest of the wig cap.
Me on the display, me I know said, make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw head, okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. Tobari me in the street to my say, only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed to my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I'm more, yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want me one gbọ́ me. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me, anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on a low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my brand is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw, well, okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me, nah. They want to know. Tobari me in the street, to my say, only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. I'm more, yeah. I'm more, yeah. Original bad man.
It's fake kills.
Standard. See when I ride a bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive.
So guys, this is the end result, and this is what the hair looks like on me. I ended up using 6.5 packs for the entire wig, and the color that I used is the color 1B30. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. By the way, this hair was sent to me by Living Hair on AliExpress. They sent me 10 packs, but I ended up using only 6.5. I applied powder foundation on the lace so it looks a bit like my scalp. So that's all that I did off camera. So guys, I love the fact that this hair is not full, and because the last one that I did, I actually did a wig like this with the same hair in a different color. That wig I used 9 packs. It ended up being too full, and I hated it for the fact that it was too full. So I said to myself, this other one I'm just going to make it very light as possible, and I used only 6.5 packs, which I absolutely love. The wig is so lightweight, and you can actually rock this summer, of course. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Loving you, na scam.
Smith your banks.
Okay. Every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me. So if I go no show, I'm yeah. All I'm gonna get you is scammer. I get for